give him a minute of it. There it is. Yeah, mother.
Anyway, Eddie,
Yes, mate.
fill me in on today.
We're on the way for breakfast now. Enrique's kind of chauffeuring us there. We're going to do practice 3x5 for 3 more shows tomorrow. Get excited, chits.
We're out. Hey. That fake man.
Pomegranate green tea, who are you? Oh, it's sprayed on your top, bit of hot sauce. Right on there. Little dabber. Oh.
You're running out of fucking shit for the last time, or what? I think the guns due now, small burritos. Get out, 8 goddamn bucks.
Room for a little one.
Is that alright?
Big time. We're either in.
Awkward neck headrest position you rock in there, Roo.
You what? I was just saying that like that.
Your destination's on the right.
Thank you.
So I'm still a blast beat the whole time that we're in.
Where we off then?
Goddamn target.
Yeah, that one looks good.
Guess how much that is? Well, it's anything like red. $12.99.
Shut up, $12.99. That's insane.
Oh, right.
Oh, gonna say.
What's your review of day 4?
My lips like a fucking nun's ass.
Yeah,
lips like a camel's flip.
They're all good now.
A camel's
Clear as it was when he stamped.
Put some tunes on. Some banger line, eh? Yeah. Great guitar, mate.
Can you believe we found that on wall in house?
Quinti cuento esto. Quinti cuento oro.
What are you doing here?
Fucking washing my hands.
Why?
Because he's got cancer all over.
He's washing his hands because there's cancer on keyboard legs. Unbelievable.
Transport.
You got a gig at Marigolds.
Like that, we're fucking good. Has anyone got the plug?
Yeah.
You guys had it here yesterday, it's so funny.
You guys want to keep the case? Oh, wow. Is that what we played last time?
until I started working at Doha.
Yeah.
And now I'm a donut.
Yeah.
How good are they?
I weren't a donut fan until I went to one in Gib. There's this little cafe, it's like a specialist grown-up donut cafe.
Amazing.
Well, mate, I used to go up every week and just splat one down with dog.
Thank you, welcome back. My guests today are battling it out in a war zone of love. Please welcome Tyrell to the show. He says he's here to get rid of his ex once and for all. Tyrell, what's going on? Well, sure. Here's Jill.
The guys. Oh shit, I'll give.
Quickly get the shower.
I was wondering if you could give Laurel a good situation right now.
Very good.
Oh, jeez.
Oh! It's okay, man. So you just use me?
It's okay, man.
Jokes on me?
He thought you were a woman. Why not at that point tell him, you know, I'm not really a woman, you should know.
That's how I feel myself, Gary. I'm a
Woman.
I'm a real woman. I'm a chick with a twist.
I'm a chick with a twist.